Model 2008 Ford Transit 110 T300M front-wheel drive body, blue, panel van mileage 163636 MOT, the 20th of December 2023 engine 2198 cc TDCI 110 PS DURATORQ-C transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Very slightly underpowered injector number 3 will need replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, electric windows EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.